comes the third round. 1 will play against 6, 6 is declared as a winner. 8 will play against 11, 8 is declared as a winner. Then fourth round, 6 will play against 8, we have declared 8 as a final winner. Total number of matches, formula is n minus 1, that is 11 minus 1, 10. 10 matches will be played. I have written here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of matches, that is 10. So here we complete the procedure of drawing fixture by seeded method. Now we will study procedure of drawing fixture by spatial shading method. First we will learn what is spatial shading. So let us go through. In spatial shading, the seeded players enters the tournament in the quarter final or semi final round. The teams enters in the quarter or semi without participating in the initial phase. It automatically understood that the strongest team will allowed to play in the quarter or semi. That is spatial shading. It means simply you can learn that the teams who had given spatial shading, they will play in the semis or quarter. Now let us take an example that will make you more clear. We have taken example of 20 teams, out of which 4 teams are spatial shaded. So let us go through. First, total number of teams, that is 20. Total number of matches, how many matches? Formula is n minus 1 by 2, 20 minus 1, that means 19 matches will be played. Since the number of team, total number of team is 20. So the formula for calculating upper and lower half is n minus 1 by 2 for each. For upper half also n by 2 and for lower half also n by 2. So 20 by 2, that is 10 in each half. You must see that. 10 in upper half and 10 in lower half. Now, in case of spatial shading, method of calculating by is, you must take of note that in case of spatial shading, the method of calculating y is different as compared to other one. Firstly, the formula is number of team minus spatial shading. Total number of teams, that is 20. Total number of team, that is 20. How many teams are given spatial shading? 4 teams are given spatial shading. So I have written 4 here. Total number of teams minus spatial shading, 20 minus 4, that will come 16. Now we will apply by. Then after, next highest power of 2 minus 16. Next highest power of 2 minus this. Next highest power of 2 around 16. 2 into 2. You see here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. It means 16 automatically comes. So 16 minus 16, that is 0. So how many y we have to give? 0. It means in this fixture there is no need to provide any by, because the number of by that we have calculated is 0. Number of round, how many rounds are there? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2s are there? 5 2s are there. So how many round will be there? 5 round. Let us go through the sums. First we will divide the team in 2 half, upper half and lower half. Since the number of team is even, 20 teams are there, so the formula is n by 2, that will come 10 in upper half and 10 in lower half. Now total number of matches, how many matches are there? Formula is n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1, 19 matches. I have marked with blue pen, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Total number of matches, that is 19. Now there is no need to provide by to any team. Now we will provide spatial shading. And spatial shading, the procedure of putting spatial shading is same as the procedure we have putted by. You can see here also by. The procedure of putting by and the procedure of putting spatial shading is same. First, to the team at the bottom of the lower half, first spatial shading. Second shading is to the team of the top of the upper half. Third shading is given to the team of the bottom of the lower half, and fourth spatial shaded is given to the team at the bottom of the upper half, and so on. It means first, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and so on. So we have given 4 special shading according to the question. Now, as we know, special shaded team is allowed to play in the quarter or semi. So the team who has given special shaded, they will play in the quarter or semi. Now we will conduct the match. 2 will play against 3, we have assumed 2 as a winner. 4 will play against 5, we have assumed 5 as a winner. 6 will play against 7, we have assumed 6 as a winner. 8 will play against 9, we have assumed 8 as a winner. This team will play from quarter or semi. 12 will play against 13, we have declared 2 as a winner. 14 will play against 15, we have declared 15 as a winner. 16 will play against 17, we have declared 17 as a winner. 18 will play against 19, we have declared 19 as a winner. Since this is a league round, so again, special shaded teams are not allowed to play. They will play in the quarter or semi only. So second, 2 will play against 4, we have declared 2 as a winner. 6 will play against 8, we have declared 6 as a winner. 12 will play against 15, we have declared 12 as a winner. 17 will play against 19, we have declared 17 as a winner. Now, only how many teams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 teams remain, and including this, now special seeded teams are allowed to participate. So 1 will play against 2, we have declared 1 as a winner. 6 will play against the special seeded team 10, we have declared 6 as a winner. 11 will play against 12, we have declared 11 as a winner. 17 will play against 20, we have declared 20 as a winner. Then after 1 will play against 6, we have declared 6 as a winner. 11 will play against 20, we have declared 20 as a winner. 6 will play against 20, we have declared 20 as a final winner. So this completes the procedure of drawing fixture by special shading method. There is a major difference between shaded and special shaded method. Shaded method, the teams who have given shaded method, they are allowed to play in the next round only, and the team who have given a special shading method, they are allowed to play in the quarter final or semi final. So that's it.